3 bolts, it's 3 screws holding it in, and then once you do that, just pop it. Got 2 more holding this in. One right here. And one right here. You gotta slide your hand through here and you'll feel a button. And then flathead screwdriver going counterclockwise. Now we're gonna gently take this off. Honestly, looks like we could have done it without taking the dash off. Disconnect this negative. Clips. This thing should just free out. Come on. Alright. Well, that's definitely not good. Quick update. They do sell the pigtail for the headlight connection, because I saw a video saying that they didn't, but they do. I'm waiting on the guy to drop it off right now. I ordered it online. It was $75 and they're dropping it off before 11 p.m. So stay tuned.